The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna let you know that how you can get free t-shirt online, and also I'm gonna show you that how you can earn from submission, article submission. If your article is around 1000 to 2000 word, in 2000 word you will able to earn for each article around $100. So without wasting any more time, let's start the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also visit our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. Netashop. This is a online t-shirt selling platform where a lot of designs which are ready to sell with a t-shirt, and you can see there are so many stuff with that single design you can purchase for yourself, or you can also give it to your loved ones. So let's see how we can get this for free. Netroma.com. This is an article on blog posting website where every day a lot of articles were submitted, and if you see there are also Google AdSense ads are showing in this website. So let's see the monthly search volume of this website. So for this, here we are going to use that similar web tool. So after you come here, let's give website link. So similar web is a wonderful tool where you can find out website monthly visitors and the similar websites and your competitors as well. So you can use it anytime for your own purpose. So we have to give it without the slash, and then you can see our website here. Now if you see, there are so many visitors, monthly visitors visit this website, more than 500k visitors, and mostly from UK, US, Canada, Germany. So this, you can see, this users visit this website. So you can see this is an authentic website, and it has a great search volume with a high PR weight. So how you can work on this website? So for working in this site, you can see there is a submit button. So whenever you submit, click on submit button, it asks you to register on their website. So you have to register, but before register, you can see they told you that you can submit your article or any comment and get points. So you can redeem that points to get dollars in your account, but make sure you read all the FAQs, because in here they clearly say that if you do any spam, or if you copy paste someone's blog articles or post, they might be banned your account, because every time you post or comment, their moderation team will review the post. So you can see that you will able to redeem your point, and you can convert this point into dollar in your account and use them in that website we just visit earlier to get free t-shirt order. So I have created an account here. I got a confirmation link and I just validate that account here. Now you can see in my account I just earn some points. Now I can redeem that points into dollar, but before that, let's show you that how I earn those points. Now if you come back to the dashboard, you will see the post here with a certain number. Now if you open any post, you will see there is a point number and left. So you can just click on this, and this will vote that post, just similar like Reddit. If you work on Reddit, you will know that there is the option for upvote and downvote. So you just upvote this post. So for upvoting any post, you will able to earn 10 points. You can see they also say this. Now you can also comment here. You see there are two comments, and you can also comment here. Comment similar to the post. Make sure that what comment you are doing here is related to the post, and if it's not look spammy, maybe the moderation team will review it and count it as spam and ban your account. So just be a little careful whenever you are commenting any post. You can see that I comment here, and in my account I have some points, so just refresh it, and okay, okay, you can see that I got now points, so I can now redeem that into the dollars. Okay, so I just get these dollars, and now as soon as we got the dollars, we can now go to the NATO shop and purchase any t-shirt, but make sure you earn as much as point a t-shirt amount is. So I recommend you to select your t-shirt and then go back to the site and start earning your points. And here you will be able to find how many posts and comment you do and how many traffic there in real time. Now you can also able to earn more than the comments you do. So you have to submit article. So for this you have to go click and submit button, and here you can see you have to upload a title, unique title and a unique story or unique article. So in my YouTube video I have already shown you how you can get and able to write 100% unique article. So you can follow this article, although I am here showing you a little tip. So for suppose you are writing article related to blog, travel blog, so go for a YouTube channel related to that travel blog and go for this option. So you can open transcript and copy all the transcript, and you can just read. You have to identify, copy only the key points, and then you will use that points in your article. So it's easy. So if you can also use this website to grab your YouTube caption and use in your article what you are submitting in that website. So I will put the link in video description, so you will get it easily. Now here, if there are more than 3 or 4 transcript, you can download it from here and use as many as you want in your blog. So but again, you have to just read this one and edit before you submit your story. Now I am showing you just a demo. Just submit here and it will review by the moderator team, and if they find the article is handy and neat and clean, they will publish that article in the website. So far we see how we can get free t-shirt for writing article. Now in this site, if we upload any article, we are able to get paid more than $100 or $100. This is a very popular website with a top 10 list. Now if you found any article with top 10 list, it will come up at the first page of Google. Now you scroll down, you will see there is an option for submit an article. So you can submit your article here if you are from native country. So there are countries you can see, US, UK, Canada or South Africa. Only these people from this country will able to work on this website. So you can submit your article here, and if your article is clean and without copy paste, so you can earn from here. The rules is very simple. You don't have to be a grammar professional in grammar. Just submit your article what you feel. Now if you see the rules, in their rules they give you a PDF where they add so many sources where you will able to get inspiration of writing articles, but not copy and paste. You don't have to upload your own photos or videos. All you need is just upload your article here with a top 10 list, and this way if they find it good, they will publish that in their website, and within a certain time, I mean within 1 hour, they will pay you in your PayPal. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.